package can say a lot about a product. You pick it up, you feel it.
For a consumer about to buy a product, this is their first impression.
We've learned a lot over the last 40 years. What works, what doesn't.
That experience can help our customers get a package that's exactly right for their consumers.
Our niche is packaging that elevates the product inside. This requires high-quality skill sets that are not found just anywhere.
We're basically a manufacturing company with really creative people.
We have 5 full-time designers, and they're always coming up with the coolest ideas.
There's also the logistics side of it. Large runs are routine for us. We are a 24-hour operation.
Our operating efficiencies are focused on the full supply chain, from raw materials to finished on-the-shelf packaging.
We have the equipment and technology to serve customers on a very large scale.
But our strength really comes from the experience of our people.
We listen, we try, we innovate, we bring ideas to the table that nobody else even thinks of.
We are constantly investing, updating our technology to give you the best options, technology that can actually speed the process and save you money.
We produce well over 1 million cartons a day, and we serve over 300 companies from coast to coast and into Canada and Mexico, from the biggest of global brands to startups.
We are continually updating our equipment, hardware, and software, always striving to stay ahead.
Also, we like to be efficient and sustainable.
We cut the stock here to a specific size of the project to minimize the amount of waste we have on the job. We recycle all of the stock that gets cut out.
Where possible, we use recycled paper and environmentally friendly ink. And for the amount of energy we consume, we purchase carbon offsets through wind energy farms.
We even have a logo your package can use to show its eco-friendly origin.
We create our dies in-house. Lots of competitors outsource this task. We handle your whole project here, no passing the buck. We can laminate and foil stamp in-house. We can use a laser cutter on shorter or more intricate runs instead of making a die.
Why do our customers like us? In a word, I think it's reliability. It's why they stay with us, and it's why they trust us.
And collaboration. Being part of our customers' team is important to them and important to us.
I think the future at All Packaging Company is about evolving with the technology and always being flexible with new ideas and new trends.
We want to keep giving our customers the very best options to make them more successful tomorrow than they were yesterday. That's our goal.